All right, so I recorded this video for the people that did not do the Skittles Diffusion lab. So the first one we're going to do here is warm water. So I poured warm water with these Skittles, and you can see there's a high concentration of sugar on the outside of the plate where the Skittles are. And look, it's diffusing towards the middle from high to low concentration. It happened very quickly. So that happened in 1 minute, 5 seconds. It's in fast motion, so that wasn't really 1 minute, 5 seconds. So that was, it's probably like 10 seconds. The next one's cold water. What's different is warm water going to be faster than cold water. So let's see. This time I'm going to pour in cold water. I didn't like see what temperature it was, but there's cold water. Now we're going to see if diffusion is going to happen slower. So we still have a high concentration of sugar on the outside with the Skittles, and obviously there's no sugar in the middle. So that sugar is going to move all by itself from high concentration outside to low concentration of sugar in the middle. Now, when the water is colder, molecules move slower. So the faster the water is, the faster the water molecules are moving to move that sugar. So there it goes. This one's going to be slower. That was 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Once again, not really 3 minutes, but it really was. I'm just watching this in fast motion. And the last one, we're going to mess with the concentration gradient. So now there's going to be high concentration on the outside, but I'm going to put sugar in the middle. So there's going to be high concentration in the middle as well. So there's not going to be such a big concentration gradient. So there was warm water, and I put sugar in the middle. So now, once again, we have high concentration on the outside, but now we have a higher concentration of sugar in the middle. So we don't have that big difference, that big concentration gradient of high on the outside and extremely low in the middle. And this is going to slow down the rate of diffusion because the higher that concentration gradient, so if there's a bunch of sugar on the outside and none in the middle, diffusion is going to happen really, really fast. But even though this is warm water, it's slow because there's not that big of a difference because there's a lot of sugar in the middle as well as on the outside. And this one's really slow. It started out fast, but once it hits that sugar, now that was over 5 minutes. All right, so that was it. So you guys got the data. So those of you that weren't there for the lab, there's your data.